What's going on, everybody? So today what we're gonna do is we're gonna take that viral TikTok about the chicken skewers and we're gonna smoke them today. All I've really done is take these chicken breasts, I've kind of cut off the fat, and then we're just gonna cut them down to nice little cube-sized pieces so we can put them on the chicken skewers. Okay, so we got all the chicken kind of cubed up, and one thing you'll notice is I have this aluminum foil over here, and what I do is I take all my like extra trimmings and fat and stuff that I don't want, and I put them here. And the reason why I do is because I can fold it up nice and tightly, and if you throw things away in your house or wherever and you want to keep flies away, this is a really good way to sit there and fold this up to where you don't have to worry about any flies getting in there, none of that stuff, okay? Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna take these, we're gonna split them up kind of, you know, in half, whatever it is, and we're gonna go ahead and put them on the wooden skewers. Now once we have the skewer, you know, like I said, bunch of chickens, there's one little piece hanging off there, so we're gonna trim that off. Get your skewer and go ahead and place it on a little rack. I like cooking on racks, and you know why? Because I like to save the seasoning. Now that we've got all of our skewers sitting here done, you know, they're nice, they're big, you know, when you're sitting there placing the chicken on the skewers, you're gonna see pieces, you're like, I don't wanna put that on, it just depends on your trimming. What we're gonna do now is we're gonna go ahead and season it. I'm doing a little bit different tonight, so let's check out these seasonings. So you probably guessed it. The first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna hit it with that base. So let's go ahead and get a good little coat. And I'm only gonna season the top side of these right now. I'm gonna get all the season on there and then we're gonna flip and do it again, all right? So we're gonna hit it with that base. And then what I'm gonna do after that is I'm gonna hit it with this Gulf Coast Smoked Southern Hospitality. What I'm gonna change it up a little bit today, right? So I'm gonna hit it with some Cimarron Docks. I love this on chicken. I'm gonna hit that a little bit there. And then this last bottle, so anybody who's been watching my channel knows that I just put random things in random bottles. So I'm just gonna go like this. What this is the Nashville Hot Wing Dust from Cosmos Cuban. If you like hot, if you like real hot with a great flavor, this is what you want. I'm telling you, we're putting a light coat of this on there. So now we're gonna flip these over and we gotta hit it again with everything on there. So what we're gonna do right now, 275 as we always do. I'm not too sure, you know, the air fryer says 20 minutes, 10 minutes, 10 minutes at 400. I'm thinking we're probably close to about an hour. But what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna probe. Now with this one, you gotta make sure when you're probing, you wanna hit the largest parts of the meat to make sure we're getting there. I'm probably gonna go for 160-ish. I know people are like, whoa, smoke, 165. I'm gonna go for about 160-ish. Once I hit 160, I'm gonna hit it with some barbecue sauce on top. I know they do the garlic butter and all that. I wanna do barbecue, so I'm gonna hit some barbecue sauce on it. And then we're gonna finish it off to 165, pull it, let it sit for a few minutes, and we're gonna have some good eats. All right, guys, so we're right at about 2 hours on the smoker. Again, like I said, the viral TikTok is saying, you know, 20 minutes in the air fryer, but man, you just don't get that smoke in there. So as you can see, man, I've got these things sitting on a little rack. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna come over, and we didn't do this at the beginning, but Southern Hospitality. Now that we got that Southern Hospitality, I'm gonna pull a little bit off and we're gonna try this. All right, so man, I don't even know where to start on these because we got all the seasonings. I think I'm gonna go right here. I want you to see that. I'm hoping that that gets that. Nice, good. It's got the amazing heat from that Southern Hospitality. Man, we gotta get another one. We have to. It's nice and juicy in here. Like I said, we're gonna hit another piece of this. And I just pulled this off the pit. No resting, no nothing. So the one thing I can tell you, that outside piece was juicy, but the further we get into this, the juicier it gets. And with all these flavors, gives that nice kick of heat in there that I want, that I was looking for. Like I said, that's why I put my little Nashville hot chicken on there and the Southern Hospitality on there. But man, this is amazing. I get the air fryer TikToks and all that stuff, but man, you can't beat a smoker. You just can't. Guys, I really appreciate you hanging out with me today. Make sure that you drop a comment in there. Let me know. I'm always looking for new things to cook. You want to see me cook something? Put it in the comment. I'll go buy it. I'll go cook it. And I'll tag you in it to make sure that you know that I cooked it. Other than that, make sure you like, subscribe, and turn those notifications on so you know when I upload another video.